Hello students, today we will study about Gauss elimination method. In this method, the unknown are eliminated successively and the system is reduced to an upper triangular system from which the unknown are found by back substitution. The meaning of this whole sentence I'll explain with the help of one equation through which you will understand that how we will eliminate successively and how that system of equation will reduce into upper triangular system. Students, this is the system of equation in which a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2 and a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Here we have to find the value of x, y and z so that it will satisfy all these three equations. Means what value you will substitute in place of x, y and z so that this equation will give d1, this equation will give d2 and this equation will give d3. So this is our system of equations. So our first step is to eliminate x from second and third equation. Our first step is to eliminate x from second and third equation, because here only I have explained that here we will eliminate it the unknowns are eliminated successively. So our first step will be to eliminate x from second and third equation. So after eliminating, it will become 1x. This one, in this equation there will be no changes, it will be written like this only. And this equation will changes to, if we will eliminate x, then it will changes to b dash y plus c2 dash z equal to d2, and here it will become b3 dash y plus c3 dash z equal to d3. This is our first step. Now our second step, see, we have eliminated x from second and third equations. Now our second step is to eliminate y from, we have to eliminate y from third equation. So we will eliminate y from third equation, then it will become a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, and then it will become b2 double dash y plus c2 double dash z equal to d2 dash, and one more it is equation is c3 double dash z equal to, it will become c3 double dash z equal to d3 dash. Now our third step is to evaluate the unknowns. So students, with the help of this is our general equation. Our first step is to eliminate x from second and third equation, and our second step is to eliminate y from third equation. After getting this, now we are having three equations, in which in first equation we have x, y and z, all three variables. In second equation we have y and z variable, and in third equation we have z variable. So we will do now afterwards, in here only I have written that we will do back substitution. In back substitution means from this third equation we will get the value of z. After getting the value of z, we will substitute in this second equation here z, then we will get the value of y. Afterwards, getting the value of y and z, we will substitute in first equation, then we will get the value of x. So like this we will get the value of x, y and z. So I am taking one example in which with the help of Gauss elimination method we will solve and we will get the answer. So student, this is the question in which three equations are given, and we have to solve this equation with the help of Gauss elimination to find out the exact value of x, y and z. So what we will do here, we will first write given equation is solution. Given equation is x plus 4y minus z equal to minus 5, x plus y minus 6z equal to minus 12, and 3x minus y minus z equal to 4. So according to previous algorithm of Gauss elimination, I have explained that we have to first eliminate x from second and third equation. So we will write here step 1 to eliminate x. Okay, so to eliminate x, what we will do, this is our first equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. So we can do one thing, that equation 2 will we will subtract equation 2, means equation 1 is subtracted from equation 2, then x and x will cancel out. Similarly, and one more thing what we can do, from equation 3 we will subtract 3 equation 1. If we will do these two things, means what I am so equation 2 becomes x minus x, it will become x minus equation 2 minus equation 1 we have to do, and for 3 what we have to do, equation 3 minus 3 into equation 1. So see here, x minus x, it will vanish, then y minus 4y, it will become minus 3y, then minus 6z plus minus and minus, it will become plus, so it will become minus 5z, and minus 12, it will become minus 7. So this equation will be equation 4. Now again what we will do, we will subtract equation 3 minus 3 equation 1. We will multiply first 3 in this equation and then we will subtract. So 3x minus 3x, it will become 0, minus 4y plus 12y. So it will become minus it will become minus 13y, and afterwards it will become minus plus 2z, as it is minus z minus plus 3z, so plus 2z, and this one 4 minus plus 15, it will become 3. If we will multiply here with 3, then it will become 19. So this is our equation 5. Now our step 1 we have done step 1 by eliminating x from equation 3rd and equation 2nd. Now our next step is step 2 is to eliminate y from equation. Here we will eliminate from equation 5. Now this is our new equation, so we will eliminate y from equation 5. So what we will do for eliminating equation this y from equation 5? So we can do one thing, equation 5 subtracted by 13 by 3. 13 by 3, because here already here 13 is not there, so we can do like this, minus equation 4. If we will do subtraction like this, then we can subtract this. So one more thing is there, you can also use that elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication methods, which we have studied in class 10 also. So here if we will equation 5, if subtracted from 13 divided by 3 equation 4, then see what will happen, 13y plus 2z, this is the equation 4, and this we will subtract by 13 by 3, equation 4 is minus 3y minus 5z, and here this one will become 19 minus plus 13 by 3 into minus plus, already I have written, it will be 7. Understand what I have written? This is our equation 5 minus, this is 13 by 3 equation 4. This is equation 5 minus and minus, this here also minus is there, so it will become minus and minus, it will become plus, and 13 by 3 into 7. So if you will calculate this all, then you will get 13 2z, this 3 and 3 will cancel, minus plus 13y minus plus 13 5 is 65 by 3 z, and here it will become 13. If you will calculate all these things with the help of calculator also, then you will get 148 by 3. So this and this will be cancel out. 13 2s are, it will be 6, so it will become 71 by 3z equal to 148 by 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel, and in like this way we will get 3 and 3 will be cancel out, and we will get the value as z equal to 148 by 71. And if you will do with the help of calculator, then this value will be near about 2.0845. This is the value of z. So we have got the value of z. Now we will do by back substitution. Step 3 was our back substitution. So step 3, by back substitution, from equation 4, we have in equation 4 it is already given as 3 minus 3y minus 5z equal to minus 7. This is our equation 4. So if we will substitute the value of z here, 5 into 2.0845 equal to minus 7, and if you will do with the help of calculator, then you will get the value of y as minus 1.1408. Okay, I can do this for with the help of calculator also. Okay students, if we will do calculation, then it will be minus 7. This minus will come in this side, then it will become plus 5 multiplied by 2.0845. Then answer is about this. And if we will divide this by minus 3, because before y coefficient is minus 3, so if we will divide this by minus 3, then our answer is 1.148408. So y, in place of y I have written this. So like this way we have got the value of y. Now we will get with the help of from equation 1. With the help of equation 1 we will find the value of x. See, what is our equation 1? Our equation 1 is x plus 4y minus z equal to minus 5. So we will substitute this equation. We will write this equation to get the value of x. X plus 4y minus z equal to minus 5. So if we will substitute this value, then we will get the answer as x plus 4 minus 1.1408 minus, in place of z we will write 2.0845 equal to minus 5. So if we will do calculation, it will be minus 5 plus 2.0845 plus 4 multiplied by 1.1408. If you will do calculation of all these, then you will get minus 5 plus 2.0845 plus 4 multiplied by 1.1408. So our answer is about 1.6477. We can write it as 1.6477. So this is our answer. X is equal to 1.6477. So like this way, with the help of this back substitution, we have get the value as our x is, hence x is equal to 1.6477, y is equal to minus of 1.1408, and z is equal to 2.0845. So with the help of this Gauss elimination method, we have got the value. This is our actual question. And first what we have done, we have considered equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Now our step 2 was to eliminate x from equation 2nd and equation 3rd. So for this, what we have done, equation 2 minus equation 1 when we have done, then x and x has eliminated from equation 2. Similarly, when equation 3 is subtracted with 3 times of equation 1, then x is eliminated from equation 3 also. So this we have done, and we have got a equation minus 3y minus 5z equal to minus 7, then minus 13y plus 2z equal to 19. So this is our 2 equation. Now our second step is to eliminate y from equation 5. So for this also we have done same. Equation 5 is subtracted from 13 by 3 times of equation 4. I have shown you how I have done the calculation. After that calculation, we have got the value as 71 by 3 z equal to 148 by 3. After calculating this, we have got the value of z. Now again, step 3 was back substitution. So for back substitution, we have put the value of z in equation 4. Then it will be y equal to minus 1.1408. This is the value of y. Similarly, we have put the value of z and y in equation 1. This is our equation 1. So we have substituted. After substituting the value of y and z in equation 1, we have got x equal to 1.6477. So this is after whole calculation, we have got the value x equal to 1.6477 and y equal to minus 1.1408 and z is equal to 2.0845. Okay student, this is our second equation in which with the help of Gauss elimination method we have to solve this equation. In this equation there is 4 variables x, y, z and u. So you have to solve this equation with the help of Gauss elimination method. The process is same. You have to do only one thing, that you have to first eliminate x from second, third and fourth equation. Then again you have to eliminate y, then z, and you will get the answers. So we will first consider this equation as equation 1, this equation as equation 2, this is equation 3 and this is our equation 4. So what we will do first, we will with R2, in R2 we will write R2 minus 2R1, means this is of my row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, this is row 4. So this one we will do. Here also we will do same. In R3 also we will do R3 minus 2R1. And in R4 what we will do? In R4 we will do some little different thing, that is R4 minus 3R1. Now when we will do subtraction, then we will come up with another equations as 2x minus 2x, it will become 0. 3y minus 4y, it will become minus y. And then minus 3z into 2, it will become minus 3z, and again 2, it will become minus 9z. And then it will become here minus u and minus minus plus, then plus u equal to minus 19. Okay, minus 19. How it is 19? 1. So this has become. Now afterwards, if we will calculate this equation, this is R3 and this is R1, then again we will come up with minus 5y minus 4z and then plus 5u equal to minus 13. And if we will apply this, and if we will apply the third equation 4 and 1, then it will become minus 4y minus 13z plus 6u equal to minus 28. So now this equation is our fifth equation, sixth equation and seventh equation. Now again we have to reduce y from equation. This is our step 1. Step 1 is this only, to eliminate x from equation second, third and fourth. Now our step 2 is to eliminate y from equation 6 and 7. For this we will with the help of this equation only we will do. Equation 6 will be we will subtract equation 6 from equation 5 times of equation 5. But if we will subtract here also minus and minus, it will become plus. Yeah, correct. And what we will do, equation 7 minus 4 times of equation 5. This calculation we will do. Okay, so in place of equation 6, equation 5, you can write R1, R2, like here I have written R2, R1. We can write here equation also, that equation 2 is equation 2 minus 2 times of equation 1. So it's all depend on you that by which name you want to express this. So if we will subtract this minus 5 and then plus 5y, then it will become 0. So after calculating this, we will come up with this and this will cancel out. Then with 5 times if you will multiply this, then it will become minus 45. Minus 45 and then minus minus plus, then minus 4, it will become 41. Yeah, it will become 41z, and 5u minus 5u, it will become 0u. And here if we will come up with 82, because minus 13 and 19 5s are 95. From 95 if you will subtract 13, then it will become 82. So we have written it like this. So here from this equation 41z equal to 82. So here we have got the value of z2. Okay, means it's very simple, means it is very good that we have with first calculation only we have get the value of z equal to 2. Now this equation, this rule we have followed. Now we will follow this one. For this what we have to do, equation 7 minus 4 times of equation 4. If we will do this calculation, then equation 7 is this, and we will subtract this with 4 times of equation 5. Then we will get the value 23z plus 2u equal to 48. And we have got the value of z as 2. So 23 into 2 plus 2u, it will be 48. So if you will calculate this, you will get the value of u as 2u equal to 48 minus 46 is equal to 2. So it will be u equal to 1. So our u is equal to 1. So we have got the value of z and u. Now we have the value of z and u, so we can substitute with the help of back substitution, as step 3 is our back substitution. So we will do back substitution in equation 4, in equation 5th. If we will do back substitution in equation 5th, we will get some other value as back substitution in equation 5th. So equation 5th is visible, minus y minus 9z plus u equal to minus 19. So if we will substitute the value of this u and z in equation 5th, then we will get minus 5 minus 9z plus u equal to minus 19. So minus 9z is 2 plus u is 1. So minus 19. So minus y equal to minus 18 plus 1 is equal to minus 19. Here it will be minus y equal to minus 17. It will go there, then it will become plus 17. So minus 2, this minus and minus will cancel out. So we will get the value of y as 2. So value of y is 2. Now we will substitute the value in equation 1. This is our equation 1. X plus 2y plus 3z minus u equal to 10. So if we will substitute y, z and u in this equation 1, then we will get the value of x also. So we will similarly put all these values, as we are doing back substitution only. So we will substitute all the values y, z and u, and we will get the value as. So our equation is, equation 1 is x plus 2y plus 3z minus u equal to 10. So after substituting the values, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 1 equal to 10. So x plus 4 plus 6 minus 1 equal to 10. So it will be 9 and it will go on that side, then it will become 1. So like this way we have got the values as x equal to 1. So like this way we have got the value of x is equal to 1, y equal to 2, u equal to 1 and z equal to 2. So this is all about Gauss elimination method. So students, kindly solve all these questions once more in your copy, and if in any of the step you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.